Today on the workbench, I've got a Dell Inspiron 7548. Now this one here has got a cracked touch panel. So I believe it's a 17-inch model, also touchscreen, which is a pretty weird combination, but this one has it. Anyway, all the screws here are all Phillips head. They're all in obvious positions, so there's really not much of a challenge to take them out. Biggest challenge seems to be separating the plastic. So as you can see here, I'm using the pizza roller, working my way around. Oop, nothing under there. So it's a bit stuck, a bit more effort. There we go. And we're off. So what I've got to replace it with is a full LCD top assembly. So I'm taking the screws out of the hinges, then I'll disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna, the battery, and also the display. So here we go, antenna cable, one. I've got both. There we go, that's nice and free. And next up, I best disconnect the battery. A little bit stubborn, this one. There we go. And now I'll proceed with the other hinge. So each hinge contains 3 screws, or Phillips head, similar size to outside of the machine. There we go. So this single cable does also handle the touch as well as the display. I'm just moving the new display out of the way. I'm just trying to figure out how to lift the hinges up. Oh, there we go, they did want to cooperate. So I should fold it forward. There we go. One old touch panel. Time to reverse the install from here. So as you can see, this one's relatively straightforward, especially if you get the correct part. This one I had to order off AliExpress, took around about a week to get here, so the shipping speed of it was pretty good. It was in as new condition, did have one scratch. The seller let me know before buying it that it was there. I said, yep, that's fine, and away it went. So I had no luck finding the digitizer or the display by itself, but the assemblies do seem to exist out there in the world. But anyway, I'm going to finish reassembling this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.